I wanted to show you how I keep just it's like a shower curtain rod, some sort of, you know, the spring rod in here. And what I do is I keep the hangers like off of pants or shorts that you get at the store. So whenever I'm done with a quilt, I go through when I'm all done and I measure what that finished, you know, what the remnant is. And then I do on a scrap piece of paper and I pin what that measurement is. So when it comes to like making a table runner or table topper, I can just come in here and look for the size I need. That way I don't have to cut it. It's already done. It's repurposed. I buy batting by the ginormous rolls. I get a white and I get a cream color. So since that table runner is more cream, I'm going to keep with that cream color. So 16 by 54. So I do try to put them in numerical order if I can. So right here, here's an 18 by 8. And it just speeds up the process, you know, because you know, once you get towards the end of a project, you're like, okay, I just need to be done.